goodness, what a beautiful morning on the homestead, guys. Look at that.
My beard in focus?
Yeah.
It is?
Kind of do this.
Yeah, it's a mess today.
You're a mess today.
My beard's all messy. I'm all messy. Anyway, I gotta attempt to move this berm up so it has a 6-inch lip on it.
Keep on going.
Okay. So I gotta use this said bulldozer over here, and with my limited bulldozing skills, have me a 6-inch berm on this north side. And then after that, we should be good to get rock. So part of that, the reason for that is because we have to get USDA approval. I think it's through the state, however, but because they're helping us with this project, which is very nice. Our tax dollars at work. So anyway, I'm gonna try to get this fixed up. So there you go. That's what I'm doing.
You're gonna what?
I'm gonna push it up there nice and easy, like I know what I'm doing.
Okay, we'll see how that goes.
We'll see how that goes. That's right.
If not, we'll ask the professional to fix it. There goes my nice grass. perfection. Well, as good as we can get it anyways. Okay, I guess that's it for today. So you're done then?
Yeah, I mean, I think so.
Yeah.
I don't wanna. You see this nice scar right here?
Scar?
Right here. In the dirt?
Yeah.
That's from this bulldozer right here.
Oh.
Trying to step my foot down there in the mud and slipped and hit the track right on my shin. It really felt good.
I don't know if the people got to see it though.
What?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's that.
Yeah. So I can
think
rake some of this.
Okay.
Yeah. I want to rake some of this rock out of here.
Yeah. I mean, that's more than 6 inch. You can exceed the standard, but you can't go less than the standard. So.
And we could always like later on berm it down and use some of that soil to. I want to put some of the trees that are in the front flower bed. The mimosa
we're gonna
tree.
run lines through here.
Yeah.
Water
We'll
line.
wait until after all of that.
Yeah.
So.
I think I'm ready for a shower.
Oh, I think so too, honey.
I think I might need to run to the store first, however.
What for?
I'll get some soda. And I can take that trash while I'm all dirty still.
Okay.
I don't think they'll be here till like 1:30.
Okay.
That's what they said. I have some business to take care of. So.
Okay. All right. Is this off? I was.
Stupid cheap crap. It's the top one.
Oh, okay. It is off. I played with it earlier.
I know, but you kind of open it up.
Yeah, that's
and then let it
exactly
seep.
what I did.
I just said.
All right, you guys. We'll see you guys next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, and God bless.